Unity is strength. 1 minute story. A father had two sons who were always fighting with each other. One day, the father decided to teach them a lesson. He gave them each a stick and asked them to break it. They both broke their sticks easily. Then the father gave them a bundle of sticks and asked them to break it. They tried hard but they couldn't. The father then explained them that if they worked together, they could overcome every obstacle. Moral of the story is, we are stronger when we work together.